Welcome to David Smith, The Nature of Sculpture. David Smith is one of the most important and innovative sculptors of the 20th century, and his work opened up new possibilities for the field that are still being mined today. Best known for large welded abstract sculpture, Smith also did many works that are directly rooted in nature. This is the first exhibition to explore Smith's deep engagement with the natural world as source, subject, and site for his art. Featuring over 40 sculptures, along with related paintings and drawings, the exhibition reveals Smith's nature-based work throughout his entire career, from his very first sculptures in 1932 made of found coral and shells to his last stainless steel works designed to live outdoors and be completed by sun and sky. Smith delighted in combining found materials in his constructions, both organic and manufactured. The exhibition showcases many works never before exhibited, such as bronze reliefs with botanical subjects like rose gardens and plum trees. There are also rarely seen animal sculptures, including a turtle and a mule, and a surprising sterling silver horse. Smith also sculpted a series of ravens, a bird common in the Adirondack Mountains where he lived. The exhibition features 3 from this raven series, along with drawings that study the flight patterns of birds. Among Smith's many contributions to the field was landscape sculpture, a genre of his own invention. In the James and Shirley Balt Gallery, you will find variations on the theme of landscape with shifting styles and techniques, including Smith's celebrated Hudson River landscape that offers a thrilling journey for the eyes. Another of Smith's innovations was the outdoor siting of sculpture, and the roots of modern-day sculpture parks, including Meijer gardens, can be traced to Smith's early outdoor sculpture installations. On the Stuart and Barbara Padnos rooftop sculpture garden, you will encounter a selection of outdoor works, allowing you to behold the sculptures as Smith displayed them, set within the natural landscape. Visitors to the exhibition, David Smith, The Nature of Sculpture, will get to see the natural world strikingly transformed through the eyes of this visionary artist.